Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can generate from Clickbank and with the use of Facebook and especially Facebook groups, and you can generate nearly around $1,000 per month by promoting Clickbank products on Facebook. And for that, initially, if you don't want to invest any money, that is also okay. I have come up with different strategy by which you can earn money with the help of Clickbank and Facebook without even investing any money. But yes, if you can invest, it will be good for you. Okay, so initially, to get the work started, those people who doesn't know what is Clickbank is an affiliate marketplace, and in all my videos almost I talk about different affiliate products like Clickbank, then Amazon affiliate, and then JVZoo, and different other cool products, different other cool marketplaces. And if you don't know what is Clickbank, you can just simply go to the link in the description, and you can understand about the marketplace. So we are, as of now, for this particular video, we are going to take a product of photography. Why photography? In Facebook we will get lot of photographers. Even those people who has a DSLR, they initially becomes photographer, and this is our targeted traffic, guys. Okay, and if I talk about photography in Clickbank, we got a product where affiliate sale commission is nearly around $89.56, what is pretty much very enough, and it's almost $100 per sale. And this website, if I talk about this website is also good. And yeah, this is for photography jobs online. And if you can help someone who is photographer, and if you can refer someone, they will buy from your link, because this is very potential and this website looks cool and people does buy from this particular website. But there is a catch. You cannot promote Facebook, you cannot promote affiliate products, affiliate links of Clickbank in Facebook. So what you have to do initially, in a nutshell, I am making you people understand, and I will show you the step-by-step way by which you can earn huge amount of money with the help of this photography product, these photography jobs, and with the help of photography. With the help of photographers of Facebook. Initially, if you see in your friends group, in your friends circle, there are a lot of photographers, and you can make utilization of this. So initially you have to go to Facebook, and you will get after going to Facebook, if you search for photography or photographers, or maybe different kind of model shoot, different kind of keywords based on upon your research, you can try this. But if we search for photography, and after that if we just go to groups option, we will get all the groups whatever we have, whatever is there in Facebook, and these are all high targeted groups, high targeted traffics, and we can earn huge amount of money from these groups. So if I talk about this group has 141k members, then this group has 180k members, nearly around 200k, and this group has, see this amazing group, this group has 2.5 millions of members. Okay, and you have to target those groups which has active number of members, and which are at least 30 or 40k above number of members. Okay, so these are all high traffic groups, and people are engaging with them. Okay, if you just see 185k number of members, so initially what you have to do, you have to simply join all the groups. You can join nearly around 20-30 groups, and in every single group you have to just make a post. Okay, so guys, there is a catch. You cannot simply just promote your affiliate link of this website to different Facebook groups. Okay, because Clickbank affiliate links are not accepted in Facebook, and yes, if you just simply promote your links, then it will get, Facebook will ban you because it is considered as a spamming. So what we have to do, so we have different other strategies for that as well. So initially, if you don't have any money, I'll show you one different trick. But if you have some little bit amount of money to invest in your business, then we will use different software, that is ClickFunnels. Yes, I will take you through that. And yes, if you want, you can just check in the description. 14 days of free trial is given. The link of 14 days free trial of Clickbank. I have given the link in the description. You can just check it out. So what you have to do, so initially if I talk about this product, so for that we have to get get our affiliate link. If we click on promote option, then what is all right, so if we promote this option, then we will get our affiliate link. Okay, so we have to simply copy this affiliate link, and guys, this is the link what we need to promote. Okay, this is the link what we need to promote on our on Facebook groups. So initially you have to promote this link in different kind of groups, so that anyone buys from your link, you will get commission. So you can, as I said, you cannot promote this link to your in Facebook. So what is the option is creating a landing page. So if you don't have any money, nothing to worry, you can simply use Google Sheet as your landing page. So what I did, I have simply taken the screenshot of this area and added in a Google Doc. See, this is the screenshot of the first part. This is the screenshot. I have taken the screenshot and I have added on my Google Doc. After that, I got some points about this product. See, when you join photographyjobs.net, you will get so and so benefits. So I simply copied and pasted it under this part, and after that I have given one button. So initially what I did, I created a landing page. If I don't want to invest any money, I can use this as my landing page, but yes, it is not professional. If you want to earn as a business, if you want to consider this as business, then it is recommended to invest some amount of money. Okay, so after we got our link, this is our link, and I have copied, and what I have to do, I have to simply go to copy go to image what I have taken screenshot, then I have to add my link. In the same way, this learn more button also, I have to simply go to link and I can add my affiliate link. So whenever anyone click on this image, or if anyone clicks on learn more button, they will redirect to the page what we want. They will redirect to this page, and if anyone makes purchase, we will get commission. All right, so now how we will promote, we can just simply, for this we have our landing page is ready. So just click on share button and get shareable link. Make sure this everyone can view it. After that, you copy this link, then go to any URL shortener website. So for example, tiny URL I'm using, and you can use bit.ly or anything, even you can use tiny URL as well. So this is our short URL what we got, and we need to promote this URL. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to go to different pages, and then you have to simply post this line. Okay, you cannot post the images, I mean the link, affiliate links. Even if you shorten the link also, you cannot post. It is recommended to just simply post this sentence. Anyone interested to get paid to take photos, make some good money with this, comment yes. So you will see, out of those people, there are plenty of people who will comment, and you can simply message them on Messenger with the help of this link. You can simply message them. You just go to this website for more details. That's it. They will come to this landing page, and if they are interested, they will go to learn more button, and you can earn, if they buys from you, you can earn huge amount of money. However, if this doesn't look so professional, if you have some money, it is recommended to use this product. This is ClickFunnels. With the help of ClickFunnels, you can simply create landing page. You can create funnel in the sense, you can generate leads for your business, which you can use as email marketing for your future purpose. And I have given the link of 14 days free trial. You can use it for your purpose, just to try this platform, and it is very easy. Say for example, you are getting a paid of $89.56. So $89.56, say for example in a week, this is very easy to generate 2 to 3 sales minimum per week. So if I say if you can generate 3 sales per week from all the groups, okay, so you are earning nearly around $2.68 per week. So how much it comes per month? So this is for 1 week. For 4 weeks you are generating $1,000. Okay, that is pretty enough, guys. And you have option of 14 days free trial of ClickFunnels you can use, and once you generate your first sale or second sale from the trial version, you can pay to ClickFunnels and you can subscribe to for their services, because this doesn't look professional. You can use for starting of your career. If you want to, you can just try this option. This is for free, but yes, it is my recommendation to use professional landing page, and in ClickFunnels you will get everything very simply. And personally I use ClickFunnels and I am pretty happy with this product. So well guys, this is the strategy all about, and in my description I have also given couple of other links of my different videos. You can just check it out. And if you have any other strategies to promote Clickbank products on Facebook or different other social medias, just let me know in the comments. And if you have any doubts, also let me know in the comment. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day.